My name is Mary Kostandy, and today we're going to be talking about preparing 360 videos. So we talked before about how to use the 360 camera, the Ricoh Theta camera, and also how to control the camera using the phone. This video will focus on how to transfer the video files to your laptop from the camera, and also how to do some basic editing to remove the tripod, for example, from the footage if you're using a tripod, and also how to prepare it for publishing. So we'll do that in the next couple of steps, and stay tuned. So to begin, you need to download a couple of apps. We need the basic app, the Ricoh Theta app, for Windows or Mac, depending on what computer you're using, and we need the file transfer app. So the file transfer app is what we'll be using first, and we'll use that to transfer the footage we have on the camera to the laptop, and we're connecting it using a USB. And then we're going to use the basic app to convert it into a format that we could use to edit. The final step is we're going to download a third app, and that app is what we will use to inject metadata, and that is a requirement if you want to publish it on YouTube. So for now, I've already downloaded those three apps. This one is the file transfer app, the first one, and then the second one is the Ricoh Theta app, and the third one is the spatial media metadata injector. So those two you get from the Ricoh Theta website. The third one, the spatial media metadata injector, you can find if you just Google 360 videos upload YouTube, for example, and you'll find in prepare for upload, you'll find the link to this app, and you can download and install it. So now that we have those apps downloaded, let's start using them. I've connected my camera again to the laptop. Unfortunately, I can't really see the footage itself, but by the date and the size, I can kind of guess which one I want. So I'll go ahead and download this first video. So I'll save it here. And then, yep, I'm actually going to use another one. So this one is the same. It's spherical. That's how it appears. And the next step you need to do is to convert it to a format that you can edit, because you can't really edit in this format. And as you can see, there is a tripod that we need to remove. So what we'll do is we're going to use the second app to be able to convert it. So I'll open my second app, the Ricoh Theta basic app, and it asks me to drag and drop the footage I have. So that's what I'll do. I'm going to use that one, and so I'll put it here, and I'll convert it. Now that it's done converting, you can actually view it from the app. So this is a footage I took in Acadia Park, UBC, in the community garden. And this is the tripod at the bottom, and the sky looks good. So yeah, so for me, I just want to remove the tripod. And other than that, I think it's ready to upload. So let's go ahead and edit it. So to be able to edit it, I'll open Camtasia and I'll import my media. I'll import this video that I have. It ends with an ER after being converted, so now I know it's that one. So we can import it. And if I put it in the track bar and if you play it, this is how it looks. It's a little bit stretched. And at the bottom, you'll see the tripod, which we want to remove. So the easy way to remove a tripod is to just add a shape to cover it. So I'll just add a basic black strip there to the end. Okay, so that's how the video looks. It's a very basic editing. You can add voice, text, like whatever you want. I'll make this shape remain with us to the end of the video. Um, so yeah, if you take a couple of videos, you can do different things, but they'll appear differently because this is again a 360 video. So it's kind of hard to guess how it'll appear until you actually see it in 360. So now, if we're done editing, we'll save it. So let's say it's ready to be shared on our desktop. You could also add text if you want in the middle. It might appear too big, so you might want to make it smaller if you want. Um, it will take a funny shape if you put it on the sides. Middle is usually safest if you're using if you're doing a 360 video. Good. So now we have our file. This is how it looks, and we want to upload it on YouTube. So the final step we have to upload it is basically to prepare this file. And to prepare it, YouTube requires that you inject a metadata with the spatial media metadata injector. And as I explained in the beginning of the video, you can download that by just Googling a YouTube 360 videos and upload. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open that, and we're going to inject the metadata. So we'll open our video, and it's now on our desktop. And this is our edited video. And we're going to inject metadata and save it also on the desktop. Great, so now it's been injected. So now our final step is we'd upload our video on YouTube. There it is, our YouTube upload page. So we upload, and we've saved it here. This is the injected file. And we can publish it. So to be able to really view the video in 360, you could also send a link to yourself and view it in your phone. On the laptop, you'll be able to move it around, but on your phone, you'll be able to get a better sense, or also with a 360 viewer. As you can see, the quality usually goes down when it is 360. You can find those arrows that you could click on, and on the bottom we have our tripod kind of hidden. You can also put some sort of photo there that's prepared for 360. Yeah, that's it. Congrats, and I hope this helps you prepare and create 360 videos. Now that we've gone through all the steps, I encourage you to borrow a 360 camera and try it out.